Customer comes back, his fleet was all cat and deer, now it's no name stuff. Like, what the fuck? I just saved you 100 grand. Well, I already paid it. Oh. And I've taken those brant duckles off hand with a heat gun. They suck to pull. I've never used these before, so hopefully it works. All right, so the guys over at Mueller, I believe it's Andre is his name, sent us over some eraser wheels to test out to see how these work for taking off decals and adhesion and stuff like that. So let's give her a whirl. Drill's got some zestiness to it. Let's see how this works. Ooh. Holy. I'm waiting for this thing to jump and take out the deer sticker. Well, the best part is this is all real time too. It's working quick. Boom. That's impressive. I'm thoroughly impressed with that. That is a very good product. I mean, it makes a bunch of green goo on the bottom, but that tears that decal off like no one's business. Oh, this green goo is going to fly off, hopefully. Or the customer's like, why is there green stuff all over the machine? I got a little spicy. And it looks like it doesn't paint up either. I'm thoroughly impressed. Preloaded. It looks like Mueller makes some very quality product. And the fact that they're letting the field mechanics go and test it to stand behind it means it's quality. A lot of places out there that don't want field mechanics to have their tools to do a review on, because I personally will up intentionally to find the weak point to give them an honest review. Even has a little line on there for when you stop using it so you don't get an arbor in the middle for retards like me. I'm very thoroughly impressed. Thank you, Mueller. That's their decal eraser wheel used in real time, and it took it off pretty quick. And them brant decals aren't small. I'm actually very thoroughly impressed with this. I'm going to go and de-decal a bunch of other machines now. Yeah, I got a little zesty in a couple spots. Yeah, the Hulk was here. He got angry. But that comes off quick, and like you feel it. There's no heat in the paint either. You know, it is warm, but the body work is cool. You know, yeah, I got a little zesty on this side, but whatever. I guarantee you, give this machine 6 months, that decal won't be there. It'll be a massive scratch. 2 decals, it eats it up a little bit, but I mean, it peels it off quite quickly. I'm very thoroughly impressed by this product from Mueller. What I want to get is their impact gun. I need to go talk to Fortis HD and order me one of those. I'm not calling it the Big Chooch, though. It's getting a new nickname. Cam can have Big Chooch. I'll have ham and poop. It's a big hammer with some behind it. Got some zestiness. No, there is some Mueller stuff that looks pretty quality that I want to get out there and buy and try it. So, and then there's some other stuff that I want to look through their catalog. Honestly, guys, go to Fortis HD, and if you got to knock some decals off, this is way quicker than using the old tried and true heat gun with a scraper technique. Doesn't paint up unless you're like I am and push too hard. Even then, I don't think this would destroy the paint. It might scuff the clear coat, but a little bit of hand polish afterwards or some brake clean will probably knock all that off and make it look mint. 100%, you got to give an honest review. If this was garbage, the Tekamo boys would put it up there. I would pay for it. I'm gonna go take the TWC off my service truck to put my new decals on. I just gotta find the new decals I bought 6 months ago. Was it was picking them off with a heat gun? There's a lot of fine lines that come off. That's a lot of work. It's definitely worth buying. Whoa, you know what this would be really good on for knocking off goo? The white casting couch. We'd probably need like 12 packs of these to get it clean, but might leather up.
Derek, you do it, Derek.
Yeah. I'm not volunteering. I'm just saying, you know how you guys might want to go use this on the casting couch.
Crew packs are now available on the website. Shipping to Canada and the US. Some US stuff, some Canada stuff. Us specifically. 5 hats in the box, different colors, different shades, a little bit of everything. International guys, reach out, parts at fortishd.com. We can hook you up, it just takes a little extra step. There's a giveaway in this video. Comment Fortis rubber tracks or Fortis Mueller tools, whichever one you're more interested in. Take a screenshot, fill out the form. Clear my email, joshd@fortishd.com. Check your emails, check your spam. I'm in there somewhere.